Having trouble with your iPhone not entering standby mode when it's placed in landscape on a charger? This feature should turn your iPhone into a smart display, but it can sometimes fail due to settings, software glitches, or even the charger itself. Don't worry though, in this video, we'll walk you through some quick fixes to get it working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Ensure standby mode is enabled. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap standby. Make sure standby is toggled on. Solution 2. Check iPhone replacement in landscape. Standby mode only works when your iPhone is in landscape mode. So, place your iPhone sideways on a stand while charging and check if it enters standby mode. If not, restart your iPhone and see if that helps. Solution 3. Turn off orientation lock. Swipe down from the right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. Now tap on this icon to turn off orientation lock. Solution 4. Update to the latest iOS version. Open settings. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, just install it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone not entering standby mode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. If the issue still persists or you need more help, feel free to drop a comment and I'll be happy to assist you further. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.